Buying direct from manufacturers in China is the ultimate way to maximize your profit margins. But once you secure the best factory price, how do you ship those goods to global buyers automatically? Annual shipping and messy spreadsheets will kill your growth. To scale, you need a seamless Shopify fulfillment integration that connects your store directly to the source. With a professional 3PL fulfillment integration for Shopify, the magic happens instantly. The moment a customer places an order, your China Fulfillment Center Shopify receives the data automatically. By leveraging third-party fulfillment Shopify services right in China, your products go straight from the factory floor to our packing line. We inspect, brand, and pack them without extra shipping steps. A smart Shopify order fulfillment integration automatically pushes tracking numbers back to your store. Your customers stay informed, and your team gets zero "where is my order" emails. Choosing a dedicated partner for your Shopify Fulfillment China ensures Amazon-like shipping speeds from China to the world, keeping your asset-light business incredibly profitable.